Just keep in mind when you're doing the wet on wet, it's all separate. Like right now, all the water is just contained to one shape, one apple. So if I'm gonna start a different shape, I'm gonna make sure that shape doesn't touch the water as it dries, so it's not gonna bleed into each other. But you can start with the kiwi first. It's certainly no big deal, but I just decided to start with the apple first. So I'm going to keep going as the color gets darker and darker, a little bit over here. So as you see, wet on wet, that's the ideal time for having a lot of nice softer edges and letting the colors do its own thing and blend. And let's say you made a mistake, which I just did. Perfect opportunity to show you how to fix it. With this stage, wet on wet stage, it's a very, very easy to manipulate stage. So you can just take a damp brush. You can use this stronger Bristol or just a simple normal round hair brush with some water, and you can lift certain parts out. Or if you prefer not, you can always use some tissue paper, add a bit of water so it's damp. You can see you can almost remove it so much so that it's that white of that paper again. You don't quite have to worry if you make a mistake. Never panic, that's the main thing. So I can always add my yellows back, brighten things up. See that intensity of that initial layer is kind of subsided a little bit as it settles in the paper. So don't worry if it looks way too intense at first. Sometimes it fixes itself.